Hey everyone, I'm Lauren Roxborough and this is...
Hi, I'm Jill Willard.
And we are so excited. Jill and I have been friends for a very, very long time, dear old friends. And we have come together to create this incredible article for you. It is called The Stress Containers, and it's based on a philosophy that I came up with, doing sessions on people hands-on. And I thought it would be the perfect opportunity for us to collaborate and for Jill to come in and to bring her perspective on the spiritual and emotional parts of stress. And I'm really excited about that. So, Jill, tell us more about you.
I've been an intuitive and done a lot of work in meditation for a long time. And Lauren and I, we've overlapped in our work for so long. So we're so excited to do this together. I believe the joints hold a lot of emotional energy in them. And this can be from us overthinking or overdoing, us being more in our head than in our body. So we've come together to help release this energy and help you all out. Feel great.
Yes, and we're going to show you guys some tips on the 5 areas of the body. And they are the jaw,
The shoulders,
the diaphragm,
the gut,
and the pelvic floor. And you will have 5 videos for each of these areas, which will give you physical ways to release, easy, simple, effective ways, and also some incredible meditations and mindfulness to really release those areas of your body.
We're so excited for you to read this article and to click through the videos. Thank you guys so much.
Yay! And if you want more information, you can check out my website at laurenroxborough.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at LoRoxborough. And if you want any videos, or you can check out my book, Taller, Slimmer, Younger, all on my website. And of course, Jill.
And for me, JillWillard.com, and on Twitter and Instagram, Jill_Willard. I have a book coming out, Intuitive Being, very soon.
Yes.
And we thank you all for being here. Thank
Yay!
you.
Thanks, you guys.
Bye.
Check
See
it
you
out.
soon.